In today's video, I'll teach you how to find your Twitter username and password. First of all, launch open Twitter application on your device. You can see over here Twitter has been opened. So if you would like to view the username, it is actually very simple. Tap on the profile picture icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now right over here, you'll be able to see the username. This is basically your Twitter username, but you'll not be able to see the password over here. If you want to see your password, you'll have to use the device password manager. So for that, what you have to do is simply launch open Google Chrome. This will only work if you have saved the password in the Google password manager. So what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is tap on the option settings. You'll be able to access the settings. Over here, you'll be able to find this section for passwords and autofill. Tap on this option, Google Password Manager, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all the passwords that you saved in the Google over here. What you have to do is find the option for Twitter. If you do not see the option for Twitter over here, tap on the search bar. Now simply type in X and search for it. Now what you have to do is find the option for X and tap on it. Enter the screen lock in order to proceed, and you'll be able to see the password over here. Tap on the eye icon and you'll be able to view the password. So that is how you find your Twitter username and password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.